Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, a PC builder, or just someone who loves performance, you're in for a treat today. We've got a brand new powerhouse on the table. The AMD Ryzen 7600X. It's a 6-core, 12-thread monster, designed for top-tier gaming performance and heavy multitasking. The Ryzen 7600X comes in this sleek, modern box with AMD's iconic red and black design. Inside, you get the processor itself. And that's pretty much it, no fancy extras like a cooler. Since this CPU is designed to run with custom cooling solutions or high-end air coolers, the Ryzen 7600X is built on AMD's cutting-edge 5nm Zen 4 architecture. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's designed to deliver blazing fast performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or even working on intensive tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, this chip has got you covered. It clocks in at a base frequency of 4.7 GHz, which is pretty insane, right? Especially in single-threaded applications and high-performance gaming. Plus, with PCIe 5.0 support, you're future-proofing your build for ultra-fast storage and graphics cards. PCIe 5.0 offers double the data transfer rate of PCIe 4.0, which opens up the door to faster SSDs and next-gen GPUs. So whether you're gaming or pushing the limits with heavy workloads, the Ryzen 7600X ensures you've got the bandwidth to handle it all. And let's not forget the L3 cache, a massive 32 MB, which helps reduce latency and improve overall performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. In games like Cyberpunk 2077, we are seeing smooth, high frame rates even on ultra settings. The combination of 6 cores and 12 threads helps deliver a consistent gaming experience, even with heavy multitasking like streaming or recording in the background. But it's not just about gaming. This processor shines in multitasking and heavy workloads too. Whether you're rendering videos, compiling code, or even running virtual machines, the Ryzen 7600X makes light work of it. Let's talk thermals. The Ryzen 7600X has a 105W TDP, which is pretty efficient for the amount of performance you're getting. But remember, to unlock its full potential, you'll want a solid cooling solution. With the right cooler, it stays cool even under heavy load, making it a great choice for those who want to overclock and push their system to the max. To wrap things up, the AMD Ryzen 7600X is a serious contender in the gaming and productivity space. With incredible clock speeds, multi-threaded performance, and PCIe 5.0 support, it's a chip built for the future. If you're upgrading your PC or building a new one, this CPU should definitely be on your radar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts or any questions you have about the Ryzen 7600X. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.